Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Claudie Cooks. Today I'm celebrating 1K with something special, a Jamaican-Thai fusion noodle soup. It's cozy, it's spicy, and it's full of Caribbean soul, and it's all in one pot. All of the ingredients used in this dish will be listed in the description box below for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's cook. Woo-hoo! Let's start off by making this Jamaican-Thai fusion paste. We're going to go in with some scotch bonnet and bird's eye chili peppers. I've deseeded the peppers, but if you want to keep in the seeds for a lot of heat, then go ahead and do that. Going in with 2 shallots and 2 stalks of chopped lemongrass. In with a thumb-sized piece of ginger. We're just going to cut it down to make it easier for blending. Up with some garlic cloves. I've put ginger in here, but of course, if you can get galangal, you know, it's the same thing. It's from the same family. I'm using ginger. We're going in with some thyme. About a teaspoon. Just shredding the leaves from the stalks. This is smelling so beautiful. I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of water, and that's just going to help everything to blend. We're going in now with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Any neutral oil you can use. And now for some spices, some cumin, allspice, and coriander. 1 teaspoon of coriander and half a teaspoon each of allspice and cumin. Going in with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and about a teaspoon of tomato paste. And with some zest and brightness from a lime. This lime smells so wonderful, fragrant, real tropicalness in this kitchen right now. Smells so delicious. Let's get a lid on. We're going to blitz. And this is the blended Jamaican-Thai curry paste. I want a deeper, more darkened and flavored Jamaican-Thai paste. So I'm just going to fry it off for about a couple of minutes just to intensify the flavor a bit more. So I've added to the pan about 3/4 spoon of coconut oil. And doing this really helps to release the flavor and also develop a more intense flavor that really adds to your soup base. And we're going in now with about 2 tablespoons in there. Just going to fry that off. The flavor that is coming from the scotch bonnet and the lemongrass and thyme, oh my goodness, smells divine. That's why I love cooking, because I can experiment. It's amazing. Okay, that's what it's looking like now. It's ready for me to set it aside until we need it. In the same pan, we're going in with a tablespoon of coconut oil, and we're going to fry off the aromats. In with the garlic, and that's 3 cloves of garlic, 2 spring onions chopped, thumb-sized piece of ginger grated. This kitchen is smelling amazing. The flavors, wow. Going to hit that with some thyme. know, the Jamaican Caribbean profile with ginger, the scallion, the spring onion. We're going in the scotch bonnet. I'm leaving it whole because we've got a lot of heat coming from the paste, you know, with two different types of pepper profile. And yeah, we don't want to blow anyone's head off with too much heat. But of course, you can do you, make it more spicy if that's what you like. But this is smelling beautiful. I'm telling you, this is an amazing start for a base. Smells so amazing. You know, I know I said this, you know, in my videos, but only if you could smell the fragrance that's coming from this kitchen, then you'll know what I'm talking about. Those chefs out there, you know what I'm talking about. In with the paste we made earlier. Going to hit that up with about a teaspoon of allspice. It's beautiful Caribbean flavors, and this is why this fusion, it works so well. Just have to balance it and bring it all together. And this is what I like to do in my kitchen. I love all kinds of food, and I love to experiment with flavors. Right, we're just going to let this cook off for a minute or two before we start adding the other ingredients. Right, so this is nicely cooked off and fragrant, and we're going in with some chicken breast. Right, this stage is entirely up to you. You can use whatever protein you want in this dish. Okay, make it your own. So I'm using chicken, and I'm also going to add a mix of mushroom into this as well. I'm going to get a lid onto that, and I'm going to let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes before I add in the mushrooms. In with the mushrooms, I'm using some woodland mixed mushrooms, and these, I am telling you, they are going to soak up the flavors of the aromats and the coconut milk really nicely. So you're going to have bags of flavor in this dish. Okay, so these are nicely coated. We're going to put the lid on and let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we're ready to add the broth and some more seasoning. Let's go. In with 1 can of coconut milk, 2 cups of broth. I'm using chicken stock. We're going in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm using some palm sugar for sweetness, but you can use brown sugar. Going in with 1 tablespoon. And you can actually see how this is going to meld together to create this beautiful Jamaican-Thai 1-pot soup. It's amazing. Oh, love it, love it. I'm going to simmer that on medium to low heat, so I'll see you back then. And I'm adding some bell peppers and some baby sweet corn and some sugar snap peas as well. Before I add the noodles and the bok choy, I'm just going to let these just cook off for about a couple of minutes, and then we will be back up. Look at this. Isn't that worthy of a 1K meal in 1 pot? What do you think? In with 150 grams of rice noodles. See, I told you, everything in 1 pan. How stress-free is this? And now we're going in with some bok choy. Cook the noodles according to the pack instruction. I'm going to let this all simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Lid on. I'll see you in a flash. We're going to switch the heat off now because that's done. And we're going to taste for flavor and to see whether we need any more salt. Also going to add some lime juice. And this is totally optional. You know, I made something and I've got a little bit of coconut rundown oil that is left over. And I know it's going to work brilliantly with this dish. So I'm adding that for a bit of extra flavor. Obviously, it's optional, but I can tell you it's going to taste amazing. Let's have a little taste for seasoning and flavor. The noodles are soft. Veg perfectly cooked. Let's check out this soup now. Perfect, that's nice and flavorful. The soup is silky. The noodles are soft, the veg soft. And this is where I think Thai meets Jamaican soul. And I think, in my opinion, it comes together perfectly. And to me, that's pure comfort. And I couldn't have asked for a better 1K meal. To thank all of you for your support. Just going to a little bit of salt. Give this little, oh my gosh, perfect comfort food. Thank you all for going for this one pot meal. See you in a moment when I'm serving up. Let's plate up. I'm so excited for this one. Wow. Look at the mess I'm making because I'm so excited. Just going to drizzle a bit more of this coconut rundown oil over it. Honestly, this is so delicious and flavorful. Really, really flavorful. I'm gonna just pop a bit of lime on the side there and sprinkle with a bit of coriander and spring onion. And you can also add, you know, some chili oil over that as well. But for now, that's how I'm serving it. Gosh, I just remembered I have some of this. It's just fried onion, and I'm just going to pop a bit of that on the top. Not necessary, but just for decoration and a bit of crunch. And there you have it, guys. My Jamaican Thai curry soup. Just to say thank you to all of my subscribers that helped me to reach 1K. If you enjoy this video and you're going to make this soup, tag me and let's continue to create magic in the kitchen. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Woo-hoo!
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spice.